Anybody attend? Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, it is audible? Yes. And now here, check it out. Here, yesterday, view execution and materialized view execution. I am telling only, anybody interviewer asking what difference between view and materialized view means execution only, you are telling only that big theory, write it fastly. Execution, write it. In Oracle, write it. Oracle, first view execution, write it. In Oracle, when we are creating a view, when we are creating a view, when we are creating a view, then automatically, firstly write it, then automatically view definitions are view definitions view definitions are permanently stored in permanently stored in Oracle database. View definition means select statement, Oracle database. Whenever user requesting a view, by using select star from view name, then Oracle server automatically executes view definitions. Definitions means select statement. View definitions automatically executes view definitions. That's why in this case, corresponding base tables are affected. Corresponding base tables are affected. That is, whenever we are requesting, view, number of times, not a one time, number of times, then each and every time, view definitions are executed. View definition means self statement. View definitions are executed, and also each and every time, base tables are affected. Each and every time base tables are affected. Okay, na? Yeah. This is view execution already. Yesterday you have an idea. No, diagrammatically you have an idea enough actually, but some theory I'm telling, because intro question, no popular intro question this one. Today how can I refresh on all these things? I will. Time only less. That's a problem. Finished up fast. Next para. Materialized execution. Whenever we are creating, is different now. Whenever we are creating a materialized view, then materialized view definitions are then materialized view definitions are automatically stored in stored in Oracle database. And also, not only that, automatically stored in Oracle database. And also, query result is there, no? And also query result automatically stored in materialized view. Yesterday I'm showing no materialized view. Whenever user requesting, firstly write it. Whenever user requesting materialized view by using select star from materialized view name. Yesterday I'm telling you, select star from materialized view name. Then Oracle server directly retrieve data from materialized view. In this case, base tables are never affected. In this case, base tables are never affected because here materialized view, because here materialized view definitions are, definition means select statement, because here materialized view definitions are never executed. But whenever we are refreshing materialized view, whenever we are refreshing materialized view, then only Oracle server executes materialized view definitions. Materialized definition means select statement, no? Materialized definitions. Materialized view definitions. Within the bracket, select statement, bracket close. And automatically affects base tables. That's why in this case, that's why compared to view, in materialized view, in materialized view, comparative view. That's why comparative view in materialized view. Base tables are affected less number of times, less number of times, affected less number of times. That's why materialized view improves performance compared to views. Okay, yesterday up to this one we are discussing or not? Yes, but theoretically I'm telling. Yesterday practically yesterday some diagrammatically yeah, that theory only. That's why anybody interview asking view and materialized view differences means only execution you are telling only. That is a correct answer. Again, why we are using a what materialized view means joined or aggregatable queries performance improve purpose only they are using. Okay, yeah. Completed this one. Fastly write it. That's why we are not using a what views for improve performance. Why we are using a what materialized views instead of views only for improve performance. You are telling about this answer. Okay. Otherwise, view and materialized view definite differences also. You are telling about this answer. Completed. Yes, you are. Okay, this is view and materialized view execution. Okay, yeah. Yesterday diagrammatically I'm showing only that you are remembering means very easy. You are only writing, you are only telling your own way terminology to interview. Okay, yeah. It's a popular interview question. That's what theoretical also I'm typing. Only execution different. Okay, yes. Next we are displaying a what the tables now. View we are creating that one, and also materialized view also we are creating or not? Yes, yeah. Those two things we are displayed first, one by one, up to creation. I'm telling no, in a previous case, creating time, both the things are same, but executions are different. I'm telling. Okay, na? Yeah, so now here. Next step, this one, write it. Select star from view name, write it. View name. Select star from view name. S number name, small letters, write it. Completed. Next, select star from MV1. This is also right. This is also small letters, okay, in this stage. Okay, now row ID is observed here. Select next one. Select S number, comma name, comma row ID from base. You have to write it this one. Again, view row ID is observed. Same row IDs, no? View row IDs and base row IDs are same. That's why view does not store the data. Only table, only data is storing through the view. We are being a base table data or not here. Write it these two. First, we are observing a what? Base table row IDs and view row IDs. Write it. Simply write it. Here, after these two statements, okay? This one write it and this one write it. In a previous class, we are telling. Here, view row IDs are view row IDs are same as base table row IDs. View row IDs are same as base table row IDs. That's why view does not store any data. That's why view is also called as virtual table or window of a table. But through the view, we can access base table data. We can access base table data. Okay, na? How you are given the guarantee materialized to store the data means just observe the what? Materialized view, row IDs and base table row IDs. Different, no? Yeah. Finished this theory? First rate it is all the things you have. Okay, na? Next you have to check it out. Here base table row IDs and also materialized view row IDs. Check it out. In your system, you are checking means you are understanding. Here both the row IDs are different or not? Yes. Row addresses are different means data is storing in a where base table, data is storing in a materialized. Suppose the EMP DBT tables are there, both the row. Hello. Now its screen is visible. Hello. Some power problem solved. Now screen is visible. It is audible. Hello. Yes. All right, it is this one. Select S number, comma name, comma row ID from base. Select S number, comma name, comma row ID from MV1. Write it. Both the things, write it. Okay, na? After writing this theory, write it here in this case. Here is everyone knows. Here materialized you. Here materialized you row IDs. Row IDs means row address, no? Here materialized you row IDs are different from base table row IDs. That's why materialized you stores data. Materialize you stores data. Okay, now I'm modifying the data in a base table. No, yeah, write it this one. Here update it. Here capital letter write it. After updating, here capital letter. Oh, maybe we are modifying the data in a where in a base table. Then base table data, this one. Okay, now observe the what view visible data, observe it. This small letters, capital letters, this view data also, view data is not there. Through the view, we are viewing a base table data means capital letters here. Select star from view name here in this case. Simple is asking, scroll up only. Yeah, base table, small letter, no, update it. Capital letter, upper I am using, okay, anything but just idea purpose, capital letter apply. Okay, now view observe it. Completed. View observe it, capital letter. Now materialized you never affected. Okay, now small letters, materialized you small letters. Just scenario idea purpose. Materialized you, these are small letters. In this case, small letters, write it here. Small a, small b, small c. This is never affected, no. Base table data never. Okay, now screen observed, very important. Suppose here this is a base table. This base table data capital letter I want to affect in a where in this materialized view means just we are refreshing a materialized view in a real-time project site. Refresh. How can I refresh means I will tell you. Whenever refresh means then automatically control goes to materialized view definitions are not select statements are executed. That's why here capital letters in this case only example side it will display. But how can I refresh means observe it here 1 minute only. Why? Because that is difficult a little bit of. How can I refresh a materialized view means in a PLSQL in a future we are learning a PLSQL. PLSQL side some packages are there. One of the packages is dbms underscore mu is a package is there. Package means collection of procedure functions, so many things are there. In this package only, just here refresh is a procedure is there. Refresh is a procedure. This procedure we are calling only, but whenever in a packaged procedure we are calling means dot notation we are using in a PLSQL, then only it is refreshed only. If you want to refresh a materialized view means this is a package is there. Under this package, this procedure is there. But unfortunately, what is this package? What is this procedure? You don't have an idea really. But just in a PLSQL means you are familiar, but SQL means you don't have an idea. But unfortunately, I'm viewing really this is correct or not. I want to check purpose. Just here, DSC is a command is there or not? Actually, DSC means describe your idea in a first initial stage. DSC table name is there. No? Same like which package details you don't have an idea. That package you are interested to view means DSC package name is enough. Suppose DSC DBMS underscore MU is a package. I am typing. Whenever I am typing, me so many procedures are displayed here. Anybody interested to view that package details means in a project side, just they are using a what? A DSC here. Here screen observe it. DSC, whatever package we have to view means that package name we are using DSC and DSC okay, DBMS underscore MU package. Press enter key means automatically so many procedures functions are there. This procedure function is PLSQL concept. Don't worry. In that procedures, one of these days, where is that one? Refresh. Yes, refresh is a procedure is there. Refresh is a procedure is there. In this refresh procedure, what is method, what is occasion of materialized name, we are passing only. But refresh is a procedure is there. But how can I refresh means just observe it here. Here we are typing a what? EXEC is a keyword. Don't read it. EXEC is a keyword. EXEC means execution. Okay, executing only. DBMS underscore MU dot operator refresh is a package procedure is there. In that one single quote small letters anything any capital area small anything also MV1 is a package like sorry materialized view like this only PLSQL procedure successfully completed. This is the way they are refreshing only. And now here write it the theory. But package procedure you don't have an idea also don't worry, just blindly syntax through write it. Write it small letters finish the now write it materialized view also stores materialized view also stores data same like a table but when we are refreshing materialized view, when we are refreshing materialized view, it synchronizes data. It synchronizes data based on base table, based on base tables. In Oracle, write it. In Oracle, if you want to refresh, if you want to refresh materialized view, if you want to refresh materialized view, then we are using following syntax. Following syntax. 1 minute only. Syntax means here, just observe it here, go to SQL prompt. Here exec is a keyword is there, don't worry. Exec means PLSQL side concept, that one execution only. Exec space, here dbms underscore mu is a package is there, dot operator, refresh we are using only, that's a procedure, single code, materialized view name, materialized view name, materialized view name. This is so many fellows are call it as this is a package name. Okay, package procedure you don't have an idea, also better to write it later, it is helpful. No, PLSQL you are familiar in the future. This is a dbms underscore mu means package name. Here refresh means procedure name. Write it this one. Okay, finished. Here package name this one. Okay, not knowing also not a problem. Here dbms underscore mu means package name. This is a PLSQL side actually. Package name. So many packages are there. In a future, what is the package? You have an idea. Here refresh means procedure name. Procedure name. Okay, na? Yeah. Fastly write it. Now practically example. Okay, already we are refreshing in yesterday. This one write it. exec. In a previous class, we are refreshing like this. Write it practically. exec, write it. exec. dbms underscore mu dot refresh single quote materialized name mv1. Then capital letter. Refresh is a predefined procedure, not a user defined, not our own procedure. This is a predefined. It's a predefined. These are all predefined procedures. User defined means you are creating in a PLSQL, create or replace procedure name, something is there. These are all predefined. Okay, don't worry. Single quote MB1 means previous class materialized name, single quotes are there, semicolon. Then cell star from MB1 means capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Okay, and now here finished fast. Completed this one. And now check it out. I want to create a materialized view with okay, aggregate functions and also joins. How can I create a materialized view? And now here view name MV2. Okay, now don't write it as here. Select this originals actually D name comma. In a previous class, I am telling you, so many interviewer asking I want to create a materialized view. So now here, how can I write a materialized view, create a materialized view? Some example they're asking me is you are compulsory writing and aware aggregate functions and joins. Otherwise, no use. Now actually from EMP E comma DEPT T is enter question side only where E dot DEPT number is equal to D dot DEPT number. Here group space by D name. This is the way materialized view is created. Now I want to view that materialized view. Select the star from MV2. That's why create a select star from MV2. Okay. Yes, create a materialized view with aggregate functions and joins. Anybody asking me your EMPD tables, otherwise your own tables too we are creating. Write a query. Second exam. Write a query, write it. This is enter question only. Create a materialized view. Create a materialized view. Create a materialized view by using joins and aggregatable functions. Create a materialized view by using joins and aggregatable functions. This one, write it. So many interviewers asking like this. Because joins already on idea, group functions you on idea, no? Yeah. An example, your own wish. Because real-time project side, big joins and functions, all the things are there, not like a capital letter, small letter like. Materialized is created. Okay, now fast. This is joins, no? Group by class, no? Group function. In roughly that. Write it. We can also drop. We can also drop materialized view by using following syntax. Syntax drop materialized view. Materialized view. Drop materialized view. Materialized view. Sir, already you are dropping, here drop materialized view. Materialized view MV2, MV1, anything. Completed. Yes, this is materialized you differences only, and also it materialized you improve the performance of the joiner aggregatable queries. Okay. Yeah. So now, but unfortunately, what is the purpose of view? Up to now, we are not telling. Purpose of view means table level security or security. That one we are understandable means another concept you must familiar. Up to now, we are learning about DDL. Again, DML only insert, update, delete your idea. Merge I am not telling. Later I am telling only after database objects. Then next TCL I am not telling. Now DCL compulsory you are learning. This is very, very important. This DCL you have an idea means grant and revoke commands are there. Through that one I am giving a what permissions. Okay, fine. That is the most powerful. Creating a view and giving a permission to the where another users and user creation and privileges. What is privilege? What is system privilege? What is object privilege? How can I give the permissions? Then how can I access the views and the tables? These all the things you must familiar only. Suppose in a feature, I'm creating a what? View, create or replace view. Now here view name. Now here view name as select, for example, star from EMP where department number is equal to 10. This is a view, for example. Whenever this is a view is there, then this view given to the where number of users. How can I miss grant all on view name to users like this? Then only those users are observe it here. Morally spelling is wrong. Okay. Now then a grant is succeeded. Whenever grant is succeeded, then only another users are accessing a what? Something only. What is that one? How can I what so now okay, those all the things we are learning a what? This grant, these knowledges are required. But a grant, this object privileges all means insert, update, delete, select. What is this one? How we are giving a permissions, how we are canceling the permissions, insufficient privileges. These all the things we are learning through the where in this chapter. DCL commands, that is next one only, data control language. DCL data. So now here, yes, next here we are learning about a data control language. So now here language, that is called a DCL. Now that compulsory you are learning. Otherwise, you are not understandable view security and all. It's impossible. But this is a universal concept, very important. DCL. What are the commands are there in a DCL? One is what? A grant. In this case, how can I create a user? Up to now, I am not telling user creation. In this chapter, we are learning privileges, insufficient privileges, grant, revoke, user creation. These are all the things. Revoke. Grant means something is there, giving permission. Revoke means cancel something is there or not. Yes. Okay. Na? This is tomorrow. I will tell you. Okay. Up to this one is enough. Another class is there. Okay, up to this one they are giving. Tomorrow I will tell you, remain. This is don't miss the class. Data control is very important. Universal concept. What is a privilege? What is sys user? What is permissions? And also system privileges, roles, object privileges. These are all the things you are familiar. Okay, na? Very, very, very important chapter. After that one, we are telling what views permission, conceptual level, external level, physical level, something is there. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Yeah. Tomorrow continue. Another PLSQL class is there. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Yeah.